What's going on? So what I just did is I placed a GU cell off of this double top right here. So I'm just trying to show, well, looking beautiful. There we go. I hopped in right here off of this neckline, kind of risk like right there. Only the next pip, it was only 3 pip risk. Right now what I'm trying to do is catch it to this fall, maybe back down to this even level. And then we'll see. But this is just a scalp. This is nothing like really crazy, nothing really hectic, but just something that I wanted to hop in real quick. But what's going on, gang? I don't know if you could throw your mic on for me, but okay, we got AD, got you. My boy Ariel in the chat too. And then we got Garcia in the chat. But let me just go over why I took this GU cell, right? So initially, I was looking for a buy. I'm gonna be honest, and it hasn't come down to the 705 area just yet. And what I figured was that it started to consolidate right here around the 38 level. So I'm like, okay, I kind of want to play, see what it does. So what I did was I waited for it to kind of stop making all this big candle movements and kind of like break down, and then I saw this, and then it kind of consolidated up. So I waited for one more retest, and that's why I got in. So if we come down to the 5 minute, if you look right now, we could TP, which I probably will. I don't know. But our entry was right here off of this resistance. Stop loss was at this high, which was only 3 pips. Not risking anything. Bless you, baby. Bless you, baby. And I'm trying to ride this down to this. So I did hop in a few lots, like standards. So I'm just trying to wait. Even if I can get this to 25 pips, that's 250 bucks. So we're gonna see what's going on. Let me know what y'all think in the chat. I believe I got the chat room open. Yup, it's open. Bless you, babe. You go. But right now, honestly, I'm gonna see what's going on and why this is maybe going against me. Maybe something like this. But even though we got this even low right here, and if you break it down to the 1 minute, even if you want to confirm yourself, just throwing a indicator right there. And we got that. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. We got that sell right here. So let's go, GU. Now I kind of want to go over what we did on US 30. US 30, we caught over 3,700 pips today. And if somebody tells me that that's not crazy, I don't want to hear it. Don't talk to me about trading. Because even 10 pips, 20 pips is a lot to somebody. And we caught 3,700 pips on the way down, on the way up. And we're really just too nice. So let's get into it. First, let me take this indicator off. Bada bing. We're at 30, not 39. Bada boom. Now, let's get into it. Look, and this is exactly why we TP'd and just chilled. So, at first, last night, it was like 2 in the morning, and I saw US 30, forming some type of like consolidation at the top. So, I'm like, all right, cool. I kind of want to see where it's going to like fall. So, what I realized is this right here. And I don't know why I'm being retarded going on a 1 minute. Let me come out. Sorry, I apologize. But what I realized was right here, US 30 started to form a resistance. So, as you know, obviously I put the trend line, dragged it all the way across, and this is where we got our entry for the sell. It was too beautiful. Too beautiful. Literally no other indicators, no other Fibonacci's. It was just a resistance. Hopped in the sell, Clean touch. Only risking right here. It was 30 pips. I'm sorry, 300 pips. 300 pips, and then our TP, I'm going to be honest, I was not expecting it to drop all the way down to here. TP was going to be at this first level, at this resistance. That's where we took our first TP. That's 1,200 pips right there. Boom. Line them up. Drop it down a little bit more. See, I had an alert for when it crossed this line. That was our second TP, which was 195. 1,900 pips. And then for the final TP, which was not expected, and we didn't know it was going to turn around right there, but it made a double bottom. So we took our profits, and that finaled out to be 2,890 pips in one trade, right? So let me just keep that on the note. Caught the US 30 sell 2,890 pips. Boom. Then we saw that double bottom on a 5-minute, went to a scalping strategy. Was like, all right, cool, let's take that. And honestly, what I did on my MetaTrader was I took this bottom right here and I drew a fib. And that 705 entry is what got me my sniper. Took that long position right here. Literally risked no pips. No pips at all. Not a single pip. Thank you. Thank you, Ariel, for real. But we're risking 150. So look, we just came up 2,800 pips. And then we're only risking 150. So cool. Even if it does keep selling, that's fine. But in this case, it didn't sell at all. Our first TP was going to be right here, which was 520 pips. And then the second TP was back at this line, which is 900 pips right there. So 900 pips, right? Let me come back out, zoom out. Then we caught the US 30 by 900 pips. This totals 3,790 pips in a single pair. Not even a day. Single pair. 2 directions. Simple. So simple. And then after you take that position, you know that the market's going to slow down because it's not the New York session. Stop trading. Let the market do what it does. Who's going to be upset ending the day with 3,790 pips? I don't know. But this is a perfect execution. You realize what the market is doing before the market opens. You draw your trend line. You hop in. As soon as the market opens, look, 9:30, boom, got us. Let's go for this ride. And the market moved in 3 impulsive moves. So we got the first impulsive push, pulled back. The second impulsive push, pulled back. The last one was a double bottom, and that was just too clean for the buy. That's where we caught that second 900 pip. Now, you just relax and go on to the next pair. Right now, I'm still looking at GBP USD. Gonna check back on it. Perfect. Look at that. As we were gone, came down TP. It's too clean. Tap the trend line. Clean double top. Can't get any better. Anybody got questions? Anybody got concerns? I know if you guys don't have the course by now, you definitely should, because it's getting behind my brain and getting inside my head on how to do everything. So please grab that. Grab the signals if you need to, if you don't have time to sit down and learn. But get yourself in the group chat. No, I can't hear you. I think, what's going on? No, I don't think so. Oh, wait. That's to unmute. That's to unmute. All right, now try. But if you don't have the course, grab it and get inside my head. See how I do these sniper entries. It's really not hard. If you don't have the book, grab it. It's everything that you need to learn for the basic trading. If you don't have the signals, grab it. It's literally just printing money and plugging in with us. Like, y'all see, we eat every day. We eat every day. Like, this is ridiculous. A lot of people can't really say that they eat every day, but we have joined the 1%. People don't become profitable in trading. Y'all stay tuned. Y'all stay live. Let's keep eating. Let's go.